Hello everybody. Today I am going to teach you Vedic maths, and in Vedic maths I am going to teach you multiplication of large numbers. See, earlier also I have made my part 1 and part 2, and I have discussed with you the cases when the numbers are above the base, and in part 2 I discussed when the numbers are below and above both. And now today I am going to discuss with you my third part. This is my third part when all the numbers are only below the base. And you look at this question again, as I told you in my last video. See, this is a very difficult question and I will do this difficult question in the last, but right now I am going to start my video with very easy question. Look at this question. Now you see, I have taken very easy question. In this question, this is 97 multiplied by 98 multiplied by 99. Now you see, what is the base here? Base here is 100 because these three numbers are close to 100. Now first you have to find out the multiplier. What is the multiplier here? See this one. This one is your multiplier. Then what you have to find out? You have to find out A slash B slash C. Now to start with, see 97. Now 97 minus 100 is minus 3. 98 minus 100 is minus 2. 99 minus 100 is minus 1. These are the differences. Now how will you find out the value of C? See, now to get the value of C, you have to multiply all these numbers. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 1. Now see, when you will multiply, minus into minus will be plus. Then plus into minus will be minus. So here you will put the mark of minus. Then 3 2s is 6. So this is minus 6. Now you have to find out the value of B. Now to find out the value of B, what will you do? Write down the multiplier. See, multiplier here is 1. So multiplier, then in the bracket. Now see, this is the small bracket. Now you have to multiply two terms. First, what are the first two terms? Minus 3 into minus 2. Then put a mark of addition. Then what are the next two terms? Minus 2 into minus 1. Then what are the next two terms? Plus, now this minus 1. Okay. Minus 1 into minus 3. Bracket close and big bracket. Okay. Now you will solve it. See, minus into minus will be plus. So this is plus 6. Now again minus into minus will be plus. So 2 1s is 2. Now again minus into minus will be plus. So this is 3. Now you see, what will you get here? You will get 11. Okay. And now you have to find out the value of A. To find out the value of A, what you will do? You will take the square of the multiplier. What is multiplier here? See, 1 is the multiplier. So you will take the square of the multiplier. Then in this bracket, what will you do? Now you see what I am going to do here. I am going to take this 99. Okay. Last number I am taking here 99. I have taken here 99. See, this minus 1 is the deficit of 99. So if I have taken 99, I will not take its deficit. I will keep my hand like this. Now what are the next two deficits here? Minus 3 and minus 2. So I will write down here minus 3, then minus 2. Okay. So when you will solve it, what will you get here? See, minus 3 and minus 2 will be minus 5. Okay. Minus 3 and minus 2 will be minus 5. So what will you do here? 99 minus 5. So what will you get here? 94. So what is the value of A here? You got the value of A here as 94. Now you see, these are the values of A, B and C. Now we have to put these values into this. Now value of C minus 6 slash value of B 11 slash value of A 94. So now you have to do the balancing. Now you see here, you can see minus 6. And here what is most important, there is one most important point. Okay, most important point. First, before doing this, you have to see the base. Look at the base. How many zeros you can see in the base? You can see 2 zeros in the base. So this is minus 6. So see, this is single digit. Okay, so you have to convert this into double digit. How can you make 6 into double digit? You can see, you can make 6 as 06. Okay, if you will put a 0 here, so this is now double digit. Now here also, in place of 6, I am going to write down this 06. Okay, why? Because in the base you can see here 2 zeros. So now you have to balance this. Now see, this is negative. We have to make it positive. Now see, I am going to start from here. 94 is written here. I am going to write down 94 as it is. Now to make the negative number positive, I will borrow 1 from here. See, 11 is already there now. So 11 minus 1. What will I get? 11 minus 1 is 10. So in place of 11, I am going to write down here 10. Now see, 1 I have borrowed now from 11. Now how many zeros you can see here? 2 zeros. So put 2 zeros like this. To make it positive, to make minus 06 positive, you will do minus 06. So 100 minus 06 will be 94. Okay, now this is positive. So you will write down this 94 here. This is the rough work I have done. Okay, this is the rough work I have done. Now you see, up here you see, because here are 2 zeros, so here also we have 2 digits and here also we have 2 digits. So this is our final answer, 941094. This is our final answer. Now you see another question I have taken here. This is 997 multiplied by 993 multiplied by 994. Now you can see all these numbers are close to the base 1000. Now first, definitely you have to find out A slash B slash C, and what is the multiplier here? This 1. Okay, multiplier here is 1. Then next step, what you will do, find out the differences. 997 minus 1000 will be minus 3. 993 minus 1000 will be minus 7. 994 minus 1000 will be minus 6. Okay. Now to find out the value of C here, what will you do? You will multiply all this. Minus 3 into minus 7 into minus 6. Okay. Now see, minus into minus will be plus. Plus into minus will be minus. Okay. So here, what will you get here? Okay, when you will multiply, okay. Now see, you have to find out the value of B. So first write down the multiplier here and then in the big bracket, now you know you have to multiply two terms. What are the first 2 terms? Minus 3 into minus 7, then plus, then minus 7 into minus 6, then plus, then next 2 terms are minus 6 and minus 3, bracket close. Now you see, minus into minus plus, 7 3 are 21, then plus, minus into minus is plus, 7 6 are 42, then plus, minus into minus is plus, 6 3 is 18. So here you will get 81. Okay. Now you have to find out the value of A. To find out the value of A, you know what is the multiplier? 1. So square of 1, then you see what I am going to do now. Again, see, I am going to take this last number. Okay. So in bracket 994. Why why I have taken this 994? Because see, this will make my calculations easy. How will it make my calculations easy? See, minus 3 plus minus 7 will be equal to minus 10, and when you have to do the subtraction of minus 10, that is much easier. Okay, I have taken 994, so minus 6 I will not take now. So what will I take? Minus 7 and minus 3. So 994 minus 10. 994 minus 10 is equals to 984. So now you have to put all these values here. Now you see here carefully. See the base. In the base you can see here 3 zeros. Okay, 3 zeros. Now you look at these. You leave A part. Okay, leave A part. You have to check B and C. When you have 3 zeros in the base, so in B and C also you should have 3 digits exactly. Okay, now look at the B part carefully. In B you have only 2 digits, 81. These are not 3 digits. So you have to convert again 2 digits into 3 digits. How can you convert it? Just put a 0 before 81. So now you can see this is 81 also, B is 81 also, and at the same the value is not changed, and this is 3 digit also. So now you just put the values. So 984 slash 081 slash minus 126. Now you see here this is negative. Now you have to convert the negative into positive. So I am starting from here. 984 I have written as it is. Now this is 081. So I will borrow 1 from here. Okay, minus 1. 081 minus 1. See, 81 minus 1 is 08. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, slash. Now you see 1 I have borrowed from here. So I have written here 1. Now you see how many digits these are? 3 digits. So I will write down 3 zeros here and I will subtract this. Okay. So what will I get here? I got 874, and this 874 I will write down here. Okay. This is my rough work. Okay, na? So this is what I have got. And now you see here also you have 3 digits. Here also you have 3 digits. So this is your final answer. 984080. Now 874. You can write down all the digits together, and this is your final answer. Now you look at this question. 499 multiplied by 496 multiplied by 498. See, what is the base here? Base here is 500. These numbers are close to 500. So first, what will you write down here? You find out the multiplier here. What is the multiplier? This first number. Okay, this first number 5. Multiplier here is 5, and you know you have to find out the value of A slash B slash C. Now first you have to find out the difference. 499 minus 500 will be equal to minus 1. 496 minus 500 will be equal to minus 4. 498 minus 500 will be equal to minus 2. To find out the value of C, you have to multiply all these. Minus 1 into minus 4 into minus 2, which is equals to, see, minus into minus plus, plus into minus will be minus. 4 to the is 8. Now you have to find out the value of B. See, look here carefully, because here the multiplier here is 5. Okay, so write down 5. Now in this bracket you have to now multiply two terms. What are the first 2 terms? This minus 1 into minus 4, then plus, what are the next 2 terms? Minus 4 into minus 2 plus, what are the next 2 terms? See, this minus 2 into minus 1. Okay, bracket close. Now see, 5 multiplied by, in the bracket I am writing, minus into minus 4 plus 8 plus 2. So what will you get here? 5 into 14, which is equals to 70. Okay, you find out the value of A. So for that, see, multiplier is 5, so square of 5, then in bracket. Now you see, now I am taking this 499. Okay, 499. If I have taken here 499, I will not take the deficit of 499. So I will just keep my hand. And what are the remaining two deficits? -4 and -2. Okay. Now square of 5 is 25 multiplied by, now 4 plus -4 and -2 is -6. So 499 minus 6 will be equal to 493. So you have to solve it out, and when see, I have already solved this portion for you, and when you will solve it, you will get here 1 2 3 2 5. See, when you will multiply 25 by this 493, you will get this. This is the value of A. Now A, B, C, three values you have got. You have to just put it. Now you see here values of A, B and C I have written here. See, ignore this A. You have to check the value of B and C. And in B, see, you have two zeros in the base, and in B you have two terms. But look at C. In C you have only one term. So I told you कि you have to make it two terms. So you just put the zero before it. Now you put the values. Now 1 2 3 2 5 slash 70 slash -08. Now see, this is negative, so you have to make it positive. To make it positive, you will borrow 1 from here. So I am starting from here. 1 2 3 2 5. This I have written as it is slash. Now see, 70 minus 1. What is 70 minus 1? That will be 69. I am writing here 69. Now you see, 1 I have borrowed. So how many terms are here? 2 terms. I will put here 2 zeros. Now minus this. Okay. So what will I get here? I will, because from 100 I have to subtract 8. So I will get here 92. And this is your final answer. 1 2 3 2 5. You write down all these together. 6 9 and this 9 2. This is your final answer. Okay. See, look at this question. I have taken this question deliberately because in the end there is a very important point which I will tell you. Look at this question, why this question is important. Now see, 895 multiplied by 897 multiplied by 898. Okay, base you can clearly see is 900. You have to find out A slash B slash C. Now what is the multiplier here? Multiplier here is 9. Find out the differences. 895 minus 900 will be -5. Then 897 minus 900 will be -3. 898 minus 900 will be -2. C will be, you multiply all these differences, -5 into -3 into -2. So here 5 is 15 to the 30. Then here you will get 30, but that will be negative. Okay, you will get here -30. Now you have to find out the value of B. To find out the value of B, multiply here is 9. Then in the bracket, what will you do? You have to multiply two terms. What are the first two terms? -5 into -3, then plus, then next -3 into -2, then next two terms are plus, -2 into this -5. Okay, bracket close. Now see, 9 and in bracket 5 3s are 15 plus 6 plus 10. So this will be equal to 9 into 31, and when you will multiply it, you will get here 279. Now you have to find out the value of A. And what is the multiplier here? Multiplier here is 9. Okay, so square of 9, then in bracket. Now you see what will I do here. I'm going to take this first term. Okay, 895 minus 3 minus 2. Then here 9, square of 9 is 81. Okay, 81 multiplied by, see, 895 is there. So minus 3 plus minus 2 will be minus 5. So this will be 895 minus 5, that will be equal to 890. And when you will solve it, I have already solved this for you, 72090. Okay, now see, you got the value of A. Now you have to put all these values. See, in the starting of this question, I told you in this question there is a very important point I have to discuss with you. See, A you have to ignore, okay? Now you have to look at B and C. In C part, you see 2 digits are here, and in base also we have 2 zeros. But in B part there is something different, and which is very important. If you will not take care of this B part, your full question will be wrong. So this is your most important point. Okay, this B part, look at B part. Here you have 3 digits. This is your most important part. Okay, this is what I told you in the starting. Just take care of this. So start balancing this. 72090 oblique. Now this is 279, then slash, then minus 30. As you can see in B part, there are 3 digits, and you see this is negative. So first we will convert this negative into positive. I am starting from here, 72090 slash. Now to make it positive, this is minus 30. I will borrow 1 from here. 279 minus 1 will be equal to 278, then slash. Now see, 1 I have borrowed. So in here you have 2 digits, so 2 zeros. Now this is 100. Now minus 30. 100 minus 30, all of you know, is 70. Now you look here. You may think, yeah, your question is complete, but no, don't do the mistake. Here this is most important. This is most important. I told you here also. If you will leave your question here, all the question will be wrong. Your full question will be wrong. Don't do that mistake. Okay, don't do any mistake. See, this 78 are already 2 digits, so this 2 is extra here. So what will you do here? See, in A part, what is with you? This is 72090. You have this in your A part, and 2 is extra. So what will you do with this 2? You will add, okay? You will add this 2 with your A part. So what will you get here? 72092. Okay, when you will add this, you will get here 72092. So in A part, now you will write down 72092, and this you have already added here. So now ignore this. Now slash 78 slash 70. Okay. And now you see, this is your final answer. You write down all these together. 720927870. And now this is your final answer. See, now this is the difficult question which I wanted to take with you. Now you look at this question, just see, if you will solve this question with your traditional method, it will take a lots of time. I started with easy questions. I discussed different cases with you. Now you see how fast we can do this question. First, what is the multiplier here? Multiplier, see, 7000 is written. So first number, this 7 is your multiplier. Okay, multiplier is 7. Now 6999 minus 7000 will be minus 1. 6998 minus 7000 will be minus 2. 6995 minus 7000 will be minus 5. Now you have to find out the value of A slash B slash C. What is C here? See how fast. multiply all these. Minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 5, minus into minus plus, plus into minus will be minus. Now 5 to is 10. Okay, now you have to find out the value of b. See, what is the multiplier here? 7. Now in the bracket, first what will you do here? Multiply two terms. What are the first two terms? Now minus 1 into minus 2, then plus. What are the next two terms? Minus 2 into minus 5. Then what are the next two terms? Minus 5 into minus 1, bracket close, then 7. Now here, see, 2 plus 10 plus 5. So which will be equal to here? Okay, 7 into 17 and you will get here. Okay, now you have to find out the value of a. Now what is the multiplier here? 7, square of 7. Then what can you take here? Now see, if I will take the middle term now, okay, if I will take the middle term now 6,998 minus. Now see, if I have taken this 6,998, I will ignore this minus 2. So keep my hand like this. So minus 5 and minus 1. So this will be equal to 7 7 is 49 into, see, minus 5 plus minus 1 will be minus 6. So you write down here minus 6,998 minus 6 will be equal to 6,992. And when you will solve it, I have already solved it for you. Now here you will get here 3 4 2 6 0 8. Okay, now you see how fast you can do this question. And now I have to just put the values of a, b and c. Now you look here again. You know कि you have to ignore this a and you have to take care of b and c part. In base you can see here 3 zeros are here. So in b part you have 3 digits, but in c again you have to make it 3 digits. So how will you make it? This is 10, so you can write down here 0 10. Okay, so first write down these numbers as it is. 3 4 2 6 0 8 slash 119 slash minus 0 1 0. Now see, this negative you have to make positive. Look here, this negative you have to make positive, and in base you have 3 zeros, you have 3 numbers here. So to make this positive, I have to borrow 1 from here. This I am going to write down as it is 3 4 2 6 0 8. Now see, 119 minus 1. Okay, so what will be left here? 118 will be left here. Now see, 1 I have already borrowed. And how many digits you have here? 3 now. 1 2 3. Now what will you do? Minus this number. You have to subtract this number. Okay. So what will you get here? 0. Then this is 9. Here also you will get. So here you will get 990. You will write down here 990. And now this is your final answer. You write down all these numbers together. Okay. 1 1 8 9 9. This is your final answer now. Now you see, this was such a difficult question, and if you practice this question and whatever work I have done with you, if you practice all those questions, and even you will have to practice some more questions as well. Okay, and see, if you will do this question in your competitive exams, it will take a lots of time. Now how much time is saved? So you practice some more questions on yourself and on this topic itself, multiplication of 3 large numbers. I have 3 parts. My part 1, part 2, you can see my part 1 and part 2. This is today my part 3. And please, thanks for watching my video. Like, subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching.